Oh my gosh, guys. So I'm cooking some fasole. And look at what happened to me. Can you see it?
Right there.
Don't touch it.
I ain't touching it, I'm touching it. But like, damn.
I hit the whole fucking pot, bro. But this is about to be the bombest fasole ever. You know, when you hurt yourself a little bit, and then you be like, ah, I got it.
I'm about to get lit.
I never work at night. And nighttime always plastic and I work it everywhere. I don't spill it. No, this ain't for the bone egg. This was the loaded fries. My new man.
You had loaded fries?
No, I'm loaded fries.
You said that was it.
Talking about baby, and I'm still taking a plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
When I'm hopping out that truck, where the hood? Y'all, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DJ. Ooh, I look rough. Nah, it's wash day. Okay, it is cold outside, guys. I haven't picked y'all up in a while, so right now I'm about to go do some laundry. Then I gotta cook and make some meals, and then I have to go to work. But we are about to have so much fun this weekend. Just y'all. I'm Chef Curry in the kitchen. Ooh. I need some vegetables, but it's okay. Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, this is another piece of the blog. It's not a new blog. It's another piece to the blog. Okay, because I told you this weekend we getting lit. Okay? Baby, it's time to get my nails done. First of all, I'm walking around looking crazy as it is. Okay? Then I had the nerve to have one goddamn nail off. Oh, that's so ratchet. But baby, I'm on the way. They about to get me right. I just got off of work, went to the bank, got my cousin, helped her out. Now it's time to get my nails done. Okay? And then I have a hair appointment tomorrow with a new lady. Don't tell my old lady though. And then, oh, I'm pulling up. I'm pulling up with like 6 minutes to spare. I had to already change my appointment time, but they fucks with me, so it'll be okay. But damn. Then I gotta get ready to go to work, because I gotta go to work, get my other job. And there ain't no parking. Oh, there is parking right here. Alright, well, let's go in. I should have just parked in the handicap. Fuck these people. Alright guys, so I'm at work right now, but I forgot I did not show y'all my nails, okay? Last night I had a lot going on. So here's my set. Here, they're cute. Okay. It looks a little basic with a little jewel, but they glow in the dark because you know I never do anything basic. Okay. Then I get my hair done after I leave for work. And you know, I'm gonna leave early because I gotta hit that dispensary and get some weed. Then I can go about my business. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm out of here. Okay? Alright, let's go. So I'm at Applebee's in San Bernardino. You know, you just can't go to certain places. We should have went with the white people. Because boy, oh boy, these motherfuckers is tripping. Ooh, I like your nails. You know what? I was gonna say it last night, and I keep your nails. Oh my gosh. No, but anyways. Boy, I'm telling you, if I didn't want to sit comfortably, I would have just.
I did want to sit comfortable.
Me too. Been on my feet all damn day. Yeah, I just want to sit comfortable.
Slide around in that booty.
My hair's cute.
Bye.
What'd you get?
I'm in a fight with my shit in my heart.
Next.
Alright, y'all. Hey. So I'm at my friend's birthday dinner, right? But why the fuck am I early? Okay. So I'm about to go in there, use the restroom, and then I'm about to sit at the bar. Because your girl looks good. Okay? You can't really see it because the jacket looks a little big. But it's cold and it was raining. But we're going to get this. Alright? Let's go.
And he's still able to run. Great football player. Love to watch that. All right, so the number one seed moves on there. We'll find out if the number one seed in San Francisco 49ers move on by getting your picks. I guess they have to play the game still. But we'll get your picks right now.
Good shot. Oh, okay. You spilled my drink a little bit, but it's okay. Take the damn shot at this point. It's the pinky up for me. Go. Oh. Bitty bum bop.
Bitty bum bum.
Feel like I put her tongue.
Y'all, after a long night, after a 15-hour shift, I definitely had to have a fat-ass blunt, baby. Okay? I ain't gonna smoke with y'all because y'all seen me smoke plenty of times. But I should be going out later, so let's see.
One eternity later.
How much you could be doing.
Okay. This is what we got. Oh, in Sky. Hey fam bam, welcome back to another day with Pretty Like Queen DJ. Okay, if you are new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And it is that easy to be part of the Fam Bam squad. Alright, so I'm over here trying to mob to my appointment because these motherfuckers in the parking lot always gotta do some dumbass shit. Ugh, and then the bitch gonna leave. Like, oh my god. Anyways, so let's get on to my appointment. We're gonna run some errands.
Come on now, you know a bitch always look.
Alright, y'all, I'm at my next destination, which is the bank. Man, okay, where is the sugar daddies? Because, baby, I'm tired of paying this rent. Alright? I hear my people just staring at me. Alright, let's go in here. Let's pay this rent real quick. Let's go. Yeah, I'm at the grocery store. And, like, I will get a basket that's recorded. Right? Well, darn. Let me hurry up and get in and out of here. Because this basket irritates my soul. I gotta have a retarded basket. Goddamn. Okay. They little Glade. They a little expensive now. See. Always gotta be something. Ooh, always gotta be something. This some bullshit. Alright, let me get this dog food. What else I'm here to get? I think a couple other things. Damn, I don't even remember the fucking plugs I got. Bye. You good? Hey, toilet paper done went up. This is crazy. What the f is going on? Oh, Lord. Okay. I just need to hurry up and get out the store, y'all. I'm gonna come back. The grocery stores be doing this shit on purpose. Why the fuck ain't there no dog food? But there's all this big ass dog food. Baby, I'm not paying these prices for no fucking dog food. Y'all got me fucked up. They did this shit on purpose. Ooh, they did this shit on purpose. Y'all, I am back on my juice. I'm trying to lose this weight for my C-Deck because you know I'm gonna be barrico. Alright, well, I'm going with this juice. It looks nasty, but it actually tastes pretty good. Well, when I can eat. Not that bad. Ooh, I forgot how it tasted, but it really ain't that bad.